Hi guys, welcome to SavvyMoneyShow with me, your host Sean. We're going to speak about a couple of short stocks that can run, but we're going to start with Freetrade and a new ISA offer. Now, I haven't used Freetrade as an ISA platform before. I've used Trading 212, but their free share offer I think is pretty good. I like Freetrade and the whole mantra. They behave, although they're not as cheap as Trading 212, they behave a lot better, and I'd rather socially I'd rather go with them. Thing that was stopping me was the cost, £3 a month when Trading 212 was nothing. But with this, let's say for instance you're putting 15 to 20,000, transferring out 15 to 20,000, which you have an allowance of with an ISA, you'll get a free share worth £200. Now, if you sell that share straight away and get the £200, of course, if it's something like Apple, that you may want to hold it and get the appreciation. But let's say, for argument's sake, you sell it, get the £200. That will equate to 66.6 months of your ISA fee. Now, that doesn't sound too bad for me. Remember, it sounds even better for me, being that I'm without an ISA now, that Trading 212 has closed my account for complaining to them about the way they've acted. So I will be taking this up. Don't forget to hit that lovely like button, and don't forget the sexy subscribe button. A lot sexier than me, just ask the wife. And if you want to be a hero, hit the bell notification. You'll be notified when a new video gets uploaded. And why not check out the links in the description below. If you're looking for a free trading platform, you get a free share worth up to £200, depending on the platform you use if you deposit a small amount. Now, for those of you who haven't checked out my Discord, it's completely free. I put a lot of due diligence in there. There's a couple of shorts that I've put information in there, which is TMC and LIDAR, LIDR. Now, TMC, the metals company, when it was $10, the risk reward wasn't quite there, but now it's around $5-6. Their vessel is going to be operational by mid-2022. LIDAR's price target by Guggenheim is at $14. There's lots of information here. The shorts are claiming that the shares can just be the company had to buy back up, can just be floated straight back on the market instead of being re-registered. Now, we called the HLBZ run perfectly, and LIDR or AEYE's ability to detect tiny objects at a distance of 120 meters is crucial for autonomous cars and trucks. Hi guys, just in case you're unaware, you have until the 30th of September to sign up and be in with a chance for £2,000 worth of free shares. You will be guaranteed your free share worth between £10 and £250, but then between £3 and £200. They changed it recently, but you will also go into a free draw where you will get added share worth £250 to £2,000. Why wouldn't you? As well as that, tickets to Rita's virtual Paris show. No. Thing is, you go, you deposit £3, you get free share. You know, it's a no risk situation. Me, you know, I'll go. If it was me, I'd just stick a tenner in and see what happens. So only a tenner. Think of it as a raffle ticket, but you're gonna get a free share with it. I'll see you in the next one. LIDR has more than 100 patents, spanning 4 continents and more than 10 countries, and I believe it can really do well. The executive director of Protera is also on the board of LIDAR, and as you can see, there's a lot of due diligence now, and you know, they've got investment from Lockheed Martin. Their CEO, COO left Veladar for LIDAR. Used to work at NASA, Lockheed Martin. GM owns a lot of shares in there, and Cantor Fitzgerald owns a lot of shares. I wouldn't be surprised if GM put in a takeover approach. For those who are unaware, there's an SEC rule 15C2-11. Doesn't prohibit holding or trading of micro cap stocks in the pink no info tier to expert tier, but Interactive Brokers, who deals in those, will only accept a closing trade. Now, of course, the big money in these ones in the US, so I will be holding my stocks because the business fundamentals haven't changed. I'm sure at some point in the future they will continue trading, but for the moment it's something you need to be aware of. It could drive the price down. And a bit of an exclusive, Gulfport Energy Corporation is apparently speaking with agents about selling the energy business. Now, that doesn't mean they will. It doesn't mean they will be selling at a profit, but when you look at the statistics, the market cap is 1.65 billion, the enterprise value is 2.49 billion. So even if they don't have a forward P of 5, it's not a bad time to be in it. You can see there it jumped up. Now, I am looking at Ergo, ticker symbol EAR. For those of you who are wondering, it was an IPO that hit over $70 a share, $76, sorry, and it dropped 90%. Why? Because it announced that it was being investigated by the DOJ for its part in insurance fraud. Now, these investigations, they usually go on for a while. They tend not to find anything, and even if they do, they're barely minimal. This is a stock that has dropped to 1/10 of its value. It's a hearing aid maker. Now, it's based on a company that was relevant for 80% of its profits, but even after knowing everything, an analyst gave it a price target of $14. So it's still big upside for this. You have to manage your risk, because it could be tied up for a while, and you could end up losing your money. But I think the risk reward here for a minimal amount is worth it. Let me know what you think. I want to say thank you to everyone who's bought me a coffee. It is appreciated. It does help support the channel. So don't send me a cake. The missus says I've eaten too many. Just buy me a coffee. Links in the description below. Thank you. See you in the next video.